Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to create a vote pool on WhatsApp, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your WhatsApp application. Then you can go to your group chat or a single person chat conversation where you can just simply tap on this pin icon. Then you will find this pool button here. You can simply tap on pool, and actually this is the voting pool that you can create for collecting votes and opinions from other people. So now from here you can add any question that which like Android or iOS. Then you can just add the options like this, and you can add multiple options from here. iOS. Now you can create or you can add as much option as you need, as you want. Then you can allow multiple answer, or you can only allow single answer by disabling this or allow multiple answers this feature. Then after creating this pool, you can just simply tap on send button and it will send the voting pool. So someone who want to vote, they will read the question or the context, then they will simply vote according to their favor. If they like Android, then you can tap on this Android. You can select iOS according to your needs, and then you can find the voting number from here. That's how you can also tap on view votes to see the votes from here. You will find the people's list that have voted in this option, or you can also get the voted options people that are voted on this option. So that's how you can simply create the vote pool on WhatsApp. It's very simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any confusion left yet, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.